Did you know you can make a rich, fudgy, decadent brownie in just 60 seconds? Yes, you heard that right. 60 seconds is all that stands between you and the ultimate chocolate fix. Hey everyone, and welcome back to FactBite Daily. Today, I'm showing you the ultimate recipe for those midnight cravings, a last-minute dessert, or whenever you just need a chocolate hug. This is my go-to 1-minute microwave mug brownie. Let's jump right in. You'll need a microwave-safe mug. First, we're going to add our dry ingredients. Grab 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Don't forget a tiny pinch of salt to really bring out that chocolate flavor. Give those a quick whisk with a fork to combine everything and get rid of any lumps. Now for the wet ingredients. Pour in 3 tablespoons of milk. Any kind works, dairy or non-dairy. And 3 tablespoons of a neutral oil like vegetable or canola oil. This is what keeps the brownie super moist. Finally, add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic brownie taste. Now, stir it all together until you have a smooth, thick, glossy batter. Make sure you scrape the bottom and sides of the mug so everything is well combined. You don't want any dry flour pockets. At this point, you can even toss in a few chocolate chips if you're feeling extra indulgent. Pop it in the microwave and cook on high for 60 to 90 seconds. The exact time will depend on your microwave's wattage, so keep a close eye on it. You'll see it puff up beautifully. Be careful not to overcook it, or it will become dry and rubbery. We're aiming for a slightly underdone center for maximum fudginess. I find 70 seconds is the sweet spot for my microwave. Here's the most important pro tip. When it comes out, let it rest for at least 30 seconds. I know it's tempting to dive right in, but this little rest allows it to finish cooking from the residual heat and sets it up for that perfect gooey texture. Look at that. It's warm, it's fudgy, and it's so much better than anything from a box mix. The texture is just incredible. I've tested this recipe over and over, and it comes out perfect every single time. It's practically foolproof. And the best part? It's so easy to customize. Add a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top, a drizzle of caramel sauce, or a sprinkle of flaky sea salt. You can even try swapping the vanilla extract for peppermint extract during the holidays for a festive twist. So, next time you get that sudden chocolate craving, remember this recipe. It's a lifesaver. I challenge you to try it tonight. Let me know in the comments how it turns out for you. If you enjoyed this quick and delicious recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to FactBite Daily, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.